Forces. A force is a push or pull. So push, pull, which acts on an object. It can change an object's shape, speed, and direction it is moving. You cannot see a force, but you can see and feel its effects. Non-contact forces. Non-contact forces. Non-contact forces act from a distance. They do not directly touch the objects they act on. So we have gravity. Gravity, the gravity. The force of gravity is a non-contact force. It attracts all objects to the center of the earth. Weight is the amount of gravitational, so that's gravitational force on an object. At the peak of a tall mountain, there is less gravity because it is further away from the Earth's center. This means an object weighs less at top of the mountain than on the surface. Okay, so the force of gravity pulls the ball towards the earth, and because of that, we can throw it up in the air, it'll come back down, and then we can hit it and play games. Magnetism. Magnetism. Magnetism is a non-contact force. It exists between magnetic minerals and metals, such as iron. All magnets have a north pole and a south pole. A pole is the part of a magnet which attracts or repels another pole. Two of the same poles close together repel each other. Two opposite poles attract each other. Here we have our compass. A compass relies on magnets connected to the north and south, or connected to the North Pole, to tell you what direction you are facing. So, our key words. Oh, wait, we forgot about Isaac Newton. Let's go to Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton and gravity. Sir Isaac Newton was born in England in, so for long numbers like this in English, you break it into two. You say 1642. 1642. In England in 1642. He is famous for his work on the laws of motion, optics, and gravity. His theory of gravity changed how people saw the world. The measurement for weight is even called a Newton. So, Newton, like his last name, Newton. Okay, so the important bolded words for this page were magnetism, gravity, non-contact forces, and force. So force, non-contact forces, gravity, and magnetism. Force, non-contact forces, gravity, magnetism.